Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial: smart filters for watercolor effect. Open your image in Photoshop, convert it into a smart object and apply filter. Select dry brush, adjust the brush details and textures, and also add filter, select styles and find edges. Now reduce opacity for edge effect. Record a smart filter for watercolor textures and add Gaussian blur for softness. Mask effect from unnecessary areas. Use a low opacity brush for realism, and also adjust setting by double clicking filter, and add a paper textures overlay above. Blend textures using multiply, and also